Hi all, in this video I give you a brief introduction to the topic null pointer. In its name, null means 0. And a null pointer is a named constant and it is always appearing uppercase letter. And it constant null, that is, it is defined in stdio.h header file. Generally, it is used in with the pointers. That is, when an address is not assigned to pointer, it has a random address. It has a random address which can be misused. So we assign null to the pointer in order to be safe from misuse. That is the purpose of using null pointer in C. That is, in null pointer, the name null means 0 and null is a named constant and it is defined in stdio.h header file, and it is used when in the situation where when an address is not assigned to pointer, it has a random address which can be misused. So assign null to the pointer in order to avoid misuse of that pointer variable. Let us see the example for null pointer. So here I declare inside main function, I declare one variable named a, and here the normal variable is a. We are going to assess the value of a, but we just want to declare only one pointer variable. Instead of that, here I am going to declare two pointer of variables, that is star p1 and star p2, and p1 is initialized with a ampersand a. So there is no value corresponding to p2. So when we printf %p ampersand, so here we want to print the address of that variable, so we use %p control string. So %p p1, here also we initialize, we also print the value p2, just we want to print the address of that corresponding pointer variable. So when we run the program, we get the output as Here the variable pointer variable p1 is initialized with the address of a. Okay, we can see that nil. P1 is initialized with the address of a, but P2 does not have any address variable. Sometimes it will be printed as nil, otherwise it will print another address, random address. So that can be lead to the misuse of that particular pointer variable. In order to prevent this, we can initialize P2 with a, or declare P2 as null pointer. Okay, so then we run the program, we get the output as nil. Okay, so normally whenever you write null, compiler converter it to 0, that means nil value. Okay, so this is the basic concept of a null pointer. Okay, then so in this online editor we always get null pointer, but when we compile run it in normal compiler, the value of P2 will be printed as 0. That means whenever you write null to a pointer variable, the compiler converts that value to numerical value 0. This is all about null pointer. That means null is a named constant and is defined in stdio.h header file. We not able to initialize a pointer variable with an address, then the compiler will choose a random address which can be lead to the misuse of that pointer variable. So in order to prevent this misuse of pointer variable, we initialize that pointer variable as null pointer, so that the value will be printed as 0. Is it clear? And thank you for watching.